So now you mentioned that your seva, okay, part of your seva includes tending to cows, and we all know that serving cows in Vedic culture is of great importance, great significance. So, what have the cows taught you about life, compassion, devotion that you'd like to share with our audience?
Yeah, beautiful thing about them is silently giving so much. That I personally experienced them, that touching them, caressing them, embracing them, by sitting near them, it immediately uplifts your mood. Since childhood, I was never have any like yuck thing for cow dung. I was very easy with cow dung, and
But you had a cow? You had
No,
a
but-
cow घर पे जैसे?
no,
नहीं,
like we'll
okay.
get from a dairy, like
hmm.
wherever it's on festivals, Dashera, Holi.
And गोबर को तो बहुत पुण्य मानते हैं
गोबर को
हमारी
बहुत,
वैदिक कल्चर में बहुत मेडिसिनल वैल्यू भी है काउ डंग की सो दैट वे
An important aspect of cows is, unlike dogs, cows don't like remember you so instantly. You have to serve them for a long time. Like I have not served so much that any of the cows remember me. They also teach you that how service without some self-interest. Dogs reciprocate immediately.
yeah.
That's why everyone loves dog. I know so many people, because they have single child, their kids want a dog because they miss anyone and the parents are busy. And with cows, it's not like that. You have to serve them really.
For a long, sustained period of time.
And even then, they were not like, unlike those videos where they show you that you call out and the cow comes and you fall and the cow comes to rescue. But it's about selflessly serving because Krishna loves cows.
Okay, that is a principle behind it.